Hi guys, today we're gonna play, I think it was, washiez car. I don't know the name of the game, but I don't know what to expect. I've never played this game before. It's a washiez corn maze. I like corn mazes. Kanye has been lost inside of our corn maze. Can you find out Kanye escape? Yeah. There's a washiez corn maze. There's a... Ooh, I can spawn my car here. Zero money, so I'm just gonna spawn. Oh. Yay, we'll go back. And now... forward! Come on, let's go to town. Oh, geez. To get money. Jeez. How do I drive? No! Jeez, there's so many people in my car! Get up on me, everyone! Jeez, I'm running up! You die? Oh, jeez! Be careful! Oh, I think I found a corner soon. Yeah! I'm gonna do the Halloween maze. I think I'm doing everything apart from the normal game. Come on, let's get the candy, I guess. Yes. 1 out of 15. To find more candy. Oh, candy, candy, candy. What's this? You must be going the right way. There's more candy. Is it? Where is the candy? Ooh! Over there. But we go over here. No. Over here. Possibly. Yes. Nice. I have 0 brain power. This game's just roasting me now. I have more candy over here. Blood. Is that blood or leaves? I hope it's leaves. Oh! I'm not broke anymore! I have money. I want to get the badge at the end of the video, if it's possible. There's a lot of boys. We could go. Nope, not there. Not there. Not there. Yes, here. Not over there. Not over here. Where else could this candy be? In real life, I do like candy. So, I mean, you can find a lot of it in playtime, in Playco, I guess. But, yeah, when you find it, it's so tasty. Oh, talk about candy. It's proper like me. Wait. Cannibalism? Let's see. 9. I think the candy is this way. I'm lost, aren't I? Wait, can you cheese it? No, I thought it. It's like inside the here. If I can see it. Oh, here. No. Probably that way. Come on. Oh, found it. Nice. Dead end over there. No dead ends over here. No dead ends anywhere. So far, so good. Wait. I'm stupid. I said no dead ends and I literally just walked into the end. Is my speaking delayed? Whatever, it doesn't matter. Over here, have we gone over here? I don't know, I don't recognize anything. Okay, gotta listen out for the candy. I hear candy, I hear candy. Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's in this wall. Okay, so my guess is that gotta go this way. And then we should go... Oh wait, can I cheese it more? Oh wait, this was a dead end. No, I can't cheese it. Let's go over here then. But there might be like a turn and then we go all the way back, who knows? Ooh, candy! Yes. I need 4 more. Just 4 more. Come on. More candy. It's sounding everywhere now. So happy. I'm as happy as can be. As happy as jolly as can. Jolly. Jolliness. Which way? Could I go this way? Nope. That end. This way. That end. This way. Multiple ways. This way. That end. Dead end. Let's go this way. So if it's just a big dead end, that will suck. Oh my gosh, it's a giant dead end. All of it was just a giant dead end. Okay, how much do we need sweet? I just checked that. I generally have memory loss. Come on. Let's push through it. Dang it, another dead end. Sucks. Come on. Ooh, I have 25 brain power. I have more. This game is not accurate. This game is lying. Okay, come on. Wait. I feel like I've been here before. I don't like this. Where's all the candy? Oh, candy. So many dead ends. I love dead ends. I love dead ends. You know, I've been here in this maze so much time. It's 6 a.m. now. When I entered like, I don't know, like a 1 a.m. Crazy. So crazy. Or maybe time's just faster. I think time's faster because look at the minutes clock. I think... jeez. Look at the minutes clock now. Look at the minutes side. It's going like seconds. I think the seconds is actually minutes. No. I think the minutes are actually seconds and the hours are actually minutes. Today I can't talk. Jeez, I can't talk today. Maybe I'm just going insane because of the maze. Oh, I hate mazes. So I put Dog Day in one. I mean, he loves it, but he loves anything, so can you blame me? Oh, jeez! It's so pretty. The sun is getting in the maze. So pretty and inspiring. over here, maybe? I swear. Phew, it's not a dead end. Wait, I've been here before. This is just a giant dead end area, isn't it? I hate this so bad. Sucks. What was that? Nope, no, it's just a pumpkin. I'm going insane. Ooh. Candy? I hear the candy. I don't know where it is. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see. You can see like for 1 second. If, when you cross a wall, for 1 second you can see it. No, it's not over here. I need to find where. I bet I gotta go all the way around. Don't I? That's it, guys. This maze has made me lost my mind. I'm gonna end the video here. Tell me if you want me to play more of this game. And tell me... no. Jeez. I have to restart all over again, right? Okay. Tell me... No. Like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you want me to play more of this or a different game. Bye, guys.